interesting and opposite of what intuitively you've thought, or based on conversations I've had in the past, that it's not about stopping shadow IT, but it's in fact about encouraging shadow IT. And you want to spend your time as a CIO creating a foundation for encouraging it. So it's almost like using shadow IT to enable shadow IT. Things like creating a platform for them to do development on, creating infrastructure so that they can access in a self-service way, creating tools for them to do analysis so that they don't have to find the data themselves, cleansing the data on their behalf, storing all the data that they don't have to think about having to store, so that the data scientists can work in the business and act as that shadow IT outside of IT having to worry about it themselves. There certainly was a governance question and comment, and that governance tended to be about control, it tended to be about centralization, it tended to be about security and privacy. And the irony of course, is that that data exists within the infrastructure, whether it's in the desktop or it's in the server, and you have the ability to protect that information regardless of where it in fact sits. The complexity actually comes with duplication of data. So we talked about the example of many Johns, right? There might be 5 Johns and it might in fact be the same person, but what do you deal with that? Do you affect the source or do you affect the destination? They wanted to spend all of their money cleansing the data at the source, fixing the business process so that there was only ever one John. Unfortunately, that's a problem that almost can never be solved, because as you buy new companies, as you create new products, as you create new applications, you're exacerbating the problem. And you're just going to spend all of your IT money fixing something that's almost not fixable. So the alternative, of course, is to not worry about that, is to purposely allow that business to collect information in the way they feel they need to collect that information, and on the destination side, determine what's most appropriate and what's more accurate and what's most, from a matching perspective, best from an information perspective.